Boost your B2B marketing with direct access to US technology leaders. This email list provides verified contacts for CIOs, CTOs, and key technology executives, helping you reach the right decision-makers efficiently. B2B outreach can be challenging. Often over 70% of cold emails fail due to corporate filters or gatekeepers. Additionally, broad digital advertising can waste significant budget without reaching the IT decision-makers who actually hold buying authority. Gain a precision targeting advantage. Our database offers 95% verified data accuracy, allowing you to bypass the noise and connect directly with key decision-makers for IT infrastructure, SaaS tools, and security software. Who do you reach? This list targets top IT executives, including Chief Information Officers, Chief Technology Officers, and VPs of IT. Stop pitching junior staff and start building high-value relationships directly at the executive level. Our data quality is built for performance. Benefit from 85% deliverability to protect your sender reputation, 100% GDPR compliance for ethical marketing, and an instant XLS file download that integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM and sales tools. This database is tailored for industry growth. Whether you are a software provider looking for demo bookings, an IT vendor pursuing procurement deals, or a recruiter seeking to connect with hiring executives, this list supports your specific outreach goals. See the difference in your outreach benchmarks. Our data consistently outperforms unverified public lists and standard cold outreach methods, helping you increase response rates by up to 3.8 times. Enjoy full ownership rights with no monthly subscriptions. Pay once and keep lifetime access to your dataset, allowing you to run as many campaigns and sequences as your business requires without recurring contract costs. Experience instant setup. Your data is delivered in a clean spreadsheet format, making it effortless to import into platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce. Start organizing your sales campaigns within minutes of your purchase. Why secure your copy today? You get immediate access to comprehensive contact data, protecting your domain from spam flags while offering high ROI potential that can pay for your investment many times over. We maintain quality through strictly limited batch releases. To preserve the exclusivity of our list and protect high response rates and deliverability, we only make a limited number of downloads available per cycle. Ready to accelerate your B2B deals? Gain instant access to key IT decision makers in the USA. Check the link in the video description to secure your list today.